Welcome to the Free Ticket. Latest film updates తో ఇవాల్టి Free Ticket రెడీగా ఉంది. Let's begin the show. Why this Kolaveri song తో మోస్ట్ పాపులర్ అయిన యంగ్ తరంగ్ ధనుష్ తాజాగా తన ఆరాధ్య దైవం సచిన్ టెండూల్కర్ కి కోలావేరి టచ్ లో ఓ ట్రిబ్యూట్ ఇచ్చాడు. క్రికెట్ గాడ్ గ్రేటెస్ట్ ని తెలియజేస్తూ ధనుష్ పాడిన ఈ సూప్ సాంగ్ ఇప్పుడు ఇంటర్నెట్ లో వైరస్ లా అటాక్ అయింది. ఈ సచిన్ యాంథమ్ లో కథానాయిక అనుష్క పార్టిసిపేట్ చేసింది. చెక్ అవుట్ ది మేకింగ్ ఆఫ్ బూస్ట్ అప్ సాంగ్.
Yo boys, let's sing song, cricket song, Sachin song.
Sachin, what he is to our country, how close he is to our hearts, and how deep we have him. It's a tribute and an anthem, a song about somebody's glory.
1 + 1 2 if not Sachin who 28 days glue nothing else to prove hey you are our pride a roller coaster ride every play
It's apt that Boost is doing this entire thing for him, and it's really great that Boost is doing this.
hey hit mama hey mama hey super mama hey come mama hey hit mama.
Everybody, they put their heart and soul because they all did it with a lot of love for Sachin. So it all came from the heart, and the energy was so high, and we all just gave it from our heart. It's a very, very different experience.
Hey, one day test T20 entertainment guarantee 89 your entry bringing honor to our country. Hey, every bowler fear
Darling of the mass. That's my favorite line. I don't see any other image so perfect for that statement. Darling of the mass.
Darling of the mass, demigod face, oh little mother, you are our boost.
Boost chose me. It's a great honor, and I'm privileged to be doing this, and I thank Boost and all the crew from Boost and everybody.
1 + 1 if not Sachin nothing else to 28
The words that I chose are, it's just Sachin. It's him. All the words that I've chosen, it's just him. This song is done for a much bigger purpose and for a much bigger person and for a much bigger reason.